Hi friends, good morning. This is Manoj Kumar. This is a video on how to create a sectoral index in TradingView. So in order to do that, first open TradingView chart and along with that open any search engine and type TradingView Sectors India. You will get a series of results. Go to the first one, ensure that it is tradingview.com market stocks India sector. Just click on this. You will get a web page showing the different sectors and also different industries. So if you want to create a sectoral index or if you want to create an index for a particular industry, you can do that by doing the following process. For example, let's assume you want to create an index for the airlines industry. Click on this airlines tab. So you will get a list of stocks that comes under airlines industry. So click on this market cap. Double click on this market cap. You will get the stocks that have the highest market cap on the top. In other words, the stocks will be ordered in the decreasing order of market cap. So here you will find Indigo 2 times, SpiceJet 2 times and so on. That is because it will show both stocks that are listed in NSE and BSE. So now go to TradingView. Type Indigo. Enter a plus sign and go to the search engine result web page. The next item is SpiceJet. Again come to TradingView, type SpiceJet. Add a plus sign. Go to this web page result. Next is Jet Airways. Please ensure that you type the spelling as it is in the search page. You can find the similar spelling here, Jet Airways, plus go to the search engine result, Talent, T-A-A-L-E-N-T. So as you type, you can observe the search box shows the results. So here also you can ensure that the spellings are same. And finally, there is one more stock, Megacore. That's all. So just click enter. And here you go. This is the chart of airlines industry. So if you want to save this, what you have to do is just copy this, that is Control C. Go to this watch list and details tab on the right hand top. Click on this. Here you can find a drop down menu. Click on this. The first item says create new list. Click on this. Give a symbol name. Let us give a name, airlines industry. Save. So it will automatically create a name with an empty list. Now we have to create a list. Just click on the plus mark. Just do a Control V. Just click enter. So there it goes. Your sectoral index is saved here. So whenever you want to analyze this airlines industry index, you can just click on this. You can analyze in various time frames also. So this is a very simple technique where you do not need any programming skills for creating a sectoral index in TradingView. I hope this video was very useful. I'll come up with similar useful videos in the days to come. Thank you very much.